If you flip a coin, what are your chances of getting heads? If you roll a dice, what's the chance of getting a 6? Let's find out how to calculate probability. Probability means how likely an event is to happen. It's measured from 0, meaning impossible, to 1, meaning certain. For example, getting heads on a fair coin is 0.5. The formula is probability equals number of favorable outcomes divided by total possible outcomes. Favorable means the outcome we want. Possible outcomes are all outcomes that can happen. For a coin flip, there are two possible outcomes, heads or tails. If we want heads, that's one favorable outcome. So probability of heads equals 1 divided by 2. So probability of heads equals 1 divided by 2, which is 0.5 or 1/2. Example 1. A dice has 6 faces numbered 1 to 6. What is the probability of rolling a 4? First, identify favorable outcomes. Rolling a 4 is just one outcome. Total possible outcomes are 6. Using our formula, probability of 4 equals 1 divided by 6. So the answer is 1/6 or approximately 0.167. Example 2. A bag contains 5 red balls, 3 blue balls, and 2 green balls. If you pick one ball without looking, what's the probability it's red? Step 1. Favorable outcomes are 5 red balls. Step 2. Total balls are 5 plus 3 plus 2 equals 10. Step 3. Probability equals 5/10, which simplifies to 1/2. Common mistake. Students often divide by the number of different colors instead of total balls. Remember, the denominator is always the total number of possible outcomes, not types. Memory tip. Think wants over total. Count what you want on top, count everything possible on the bottom. Probability is always between 0 and 1. Subscribe to Ovasaabi for more mathematics lessons. Visit ovasaabi.com for practice questions and past papers. Keep practicing probability calculations.